Hello everyone. Today I will explain you the word problems because in our last video we have learned the simple subtraction. Now some of the word problems where the subtraction operation is performed. So exercise 4D we will continue with word problems. So let's start today's class. So everyone can see page number 72 exercise 4D. It's from question number 4 to question number 16. I will tell you each part and each type are having at least 4 to 5 sums similarly. So I will tell you one part of each type. You have to practice out the remaining one. Okay. So let's start. So first I am telling you question number 4, which is subtract the sum of. Please remember the language. Subtract sum of negative 36 by 11 and 49 by 22 from sum of 33 by 8 and negative 19 by 4. Try to understand the language first of all. You need to subtract. And subtract what? Sum of these two rational numbers from sum of next two rational number. So we have to divide this question in 3 parts. I think that is better for us. So first I have to find this sum of these two rational number. Then I will find sum of these two rational number, the next two which is given to me. And then the third step I have to subtract. And subtract the answers of both. It means this answer from second one. You have to remember the concept of from also. So let's do. So first I am doing sum of negative 36 by 11 and 49 by 22. So what I am doing? I am finding the sum of this language I am doing. So negative 36 by 11 plus 49 by 22. I think this concept is clear because we are doing sum. Sum means addition. That's why I have to replace and by positive sign. Now take the LCM, which we had already learned in our previous videos. 11 2 times. And 2 36 ja or 36 2 ja 72 with negative sign. So negative 72, it will give us the product. Now 22, how many times it come? 1 and 149 1 ja 49. 49 1 ja 49. Now look at this. What do you understand from here? It is negative, it is positive. Opposite sign means we have to do subtraction. So I am subtracting it. 12 minus 9, 3 and 6 minus 4 give me 2. And the bigger number is with negative, so it will give me negative 23 by 22. I think the addition is clear. What we have done, children, we have break the question in steps. So first I have solved the sum of these two numbers. Now I am solving the sum of next two. So sum of, please don't do side by side. You have to do at the bottom. Here I am doing side by side because at bottom I am not having the space. Sum of 33 by 8 and negative 19 by 4. So again I am finding the sum. So 33 by 8 plus minus 19 by 4. Because I am doing addition, so I have to write plus sign. Now take the LCM. Both denominator are positive, so 8 will be LCM. 8 one time, 133 is 33. And plus minus become minus because we are performing multiplication. We are opening the bracket. So when you open the bracket, sign get multiply, plus minus minus. Now in the table of 4, 8 comes 2 times and 19 2s are 38. Let's subtract because this is, if there is no sign, it is plus, it is minus. Opposite sign means subtract the digit. 38 minus 33. It is 5 with the positive or negative. Yes, 38 is bigger. Please see only digit, only number. 38 is bigger with negative. So I have to give negative sign. So negative 5 by 8. Now I think till here the thing is clear. What I have done, first I find the sum of first two rational number, then I find the sum of last two rational number. Now after finding the sum, what we have to do? Subtract. And subtract what? Subtract this answer from this. Okay. So now I'm writing in language. Look at carefully. Okay. So subtract this answer. Subtract negative 23 by 22 from this, because the last answer was this one. The sum of this is this one. So that language I have replaced with their answer. So now the thing is clear. We are performing the subtraction now, and if the from concept is there, we have to write this number first, negative 5 by 8, and we are subtracting, so put negative sign and then write the another number. I think the formation is clear. Children, it's very important that at which position you are writing which number, because if the formation is incorrect, definitely the answer will not be correct. Okay, now solve it. Negative 5 by 8, as I told, there is no change in the first number, and this is minus minus become plus 23 by 22. Now take the LCM of 8 and 22. So I think in the table of 2 only it comes. 2 4s are 8 and 11 8s are 88 will be the LCM. So when you divide by 8, it gives us 11, and 11 5s are 55 with negative sign. 22 4s are, and 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. Now again subtraction, 12 minus 5 7, 8 minus 5 3, 37 by 88 with positive. I think the answer is clear. So this is the final answer. We have done the sum of two rational number, the next two, and then subtract their answers. Okay. So this is the way when any word problem is given, how to solve that question in parts. Now question number 5, 6, 7 and 8 all are similar. Out of this I am telling you the sixth one, and rest of you have to practice out. Question number 6. The language is, I am writing in short, sum of two rational numbers. The same question we have performed for integer also, we had already done. The sum of two rational number is given negative 3 by 8, and one of them is given 3 by 16. We need to find other. So what is given, children? The sum of two rational number. It means their addition is given. One of the rational number is given. You have to find the other one. So other, if we want to find, can it be considered as x? Let the other rational number be x. Now how to perform the equation? We are doing sum of first and second. So this is first and this is second. So let's add these two. X plus 3 by 16. So addition of first and second will be equal to the sum. And what is the sum? Negative 3 by 8. Equation is clear to everyone. X is unknown number which we need to find, that we have to consider for other rational number. So first rational number plus second rational number give us the sum. And in addition, we can change the position. You can write 3 by 16 first and x at second. It will not affect your answer. Okay. Now, transposition method. X yahi rehne do. Plus 3 by 16 will go on other, become negative. Keep it as it is, because we are not changing its position. This is equal sign. It is already on right hand, so keep it on right hand. And plus 3 by 16 will become minus 3 by 16. Okay. Now only this side we have to solve. We get the value of x. So we know this. Take the LCM 16. 8 2 times and 2 3s are 6. Now minus 16 one time, 1 3s are 3. It will give me minus 9 by 16. This is the answer of x. It means the other rational number is negative 9 by 16. You can verify your answer. When you add minus 9 by 16 and 3 by 16, you will get minus 3 by 8. So I think now you can easily do question number 5, 6, 7, 8. These are similar. Now question number 9, 10, 11, 12 and even 13 also. All are again same. So I am sharing one of the question out of this and rest of you have to practice. Okay, because the language must be clear to us. And if we know how to add and subtract, that will be very easy. The question is this: what should be added to the given number to get the next one? Do you remember, children, we had already done this question. So question number 11. What should be, in decimal also we had done, what should be added to negative 5 by 7 to get negative 2 by 3? So negative 5 by 7 में क्या ऐड करें कि ये आ जाए? So let's add x. Let's frame equation, because when you are framing equation, it will be quite easy whether we have to perform addition and subtraction. So what should be added? Let x should be added. Okay. And x should be added to what? X should be added to minus 5 by 7. So I am adding x in minus 5 by 7. X should be added to this to get negative 2 by 3. I think equation is clear. X should be added to this to get this one. Now, as we know, we have to perform transposition. We have to keep x only this side and this number will be on right side. So, it is negative 5 by 7. Because plus minus will become minus and minus will shift on other will become plus. Remember, x remain here. There is no change in negative 2 by 3 and this is minus, so it become plus 5 by 7. Don't be confused, okay? You can do like that also, children. If directly is not clear, it is plus, right? Actually, we are changing this sign. So, plus become minus. And it remain as it is. So minus will become plus only. So I have skipped that step. So plus 5 by 7. Directly I can write. Now take the LCM and solve it. 7 3s are 21. 3 7s are, and 7 2s are 14. Plus in the table of 7 3 times. 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 14 is 1 by 21 is the value of x. It means what should be added? 1 by 21 should be added to minus 5 by 7 to get this answer. What I mean to say, if you add 1 by 21 to this number, you will get minus 2 by 3. I think the language is clear to everyone. Now, question number 14, 15 and 16. Again, these are similar. So, let's do one out of this also. You have to practice out each and every question. Okay, I am just explaining you the way of doing. What should be subtracted? What should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get minus 5 by 6? That is the concept of from also. So, you have to remember the position. What should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3? So, from के बाद जो number है that will come first. So, let x should be subtracted from, I am writing the language. Let x should be subtracted from -2/3. So I think x को आपको subtract करना है इसमें से. So from number written first, I am writing -2/3. And what we have to do? Subtract what? X. From -2/3, I have to subtract x. It will give me the answer -5/6. Please learn how to frame the equation. That's very important. Because from number is this one, so I have written it first. Now I have to subtract what? X, and the answer will be this one. Now children, you have to be very careful because this time x is at second position. And for subtraction, commutative property is not true. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप x को फर्स्ट सेकंड किसी भी पोजीशन पे लिख सकते हो. नो, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन द लैंग्वेज. व्हाट लैंग्वेज इज गिवन. सो फ्रॉम इज गिवन, दैट्स व्हाई x will become at second. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to keep this here only. So when x remain here, it will remain with its sign only, minus x, and this -2/3 will become +2/3. I hope it is clear. So don't leave only x. Okay, in the previous question it was x with positive sign, that is invisible, so we had keep it as it is. It means with its sign only. So any number always remain with its sign. So minus x, that we need to show. -2/3 will become plus. Take the LCM. 6 one time give -5 plus 3 2s and 2 2s 4. Now -5 plus 4 -1/6. Actually this is the value of -x. Now both side minus can be cancelled out because it happened minus plus, you can shift this minus to other side. So minus will destroy. What I want to say that if there is equal sign and the same value or same sign will be there, they will be cancelled out. So what will be the answer? Because we need to find the value of x only. So the value of x is 1/6. So what is that number which is what should be subtracted? 1/6. If you subtract 1/6 from this, you will definitely get this one. Please verify your answer. So in this way, we can solve the word problems from question number 4 to 16. And I will give you in worksheet also. So go through each and every question. Do a lot of practice. Thank you and have a nice day.